can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll take a look at the general cryptocurrency markets. We're having a very green day today. We're having a green week. We're also having a green month. Double-digit gains across the board in the altcoin market. Dash is up 29%, Pepe is up 15%, Optimism is up more than 12%. ICP has seen an 11% gain. Bitcoin, the king of the cryptocurrency market, rallied past $95,000. Bitcoin has broken above that $94,000 range. How high can we possibly go in the coming days and the coming weeks? The most critical level right now for Bitcoin is going to be that $100,000 level. Ethereum, the king of all coins in the cryptocurrency market, went above $3,360. We take a look at the total crypto market cap, Bitcoin dominance in the cryptocurrency market, why Ethereum is outperforming. Bitcoin sentiment has improved in the cryptocurrency market, news going around the market. We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. The last 24 hours, I've seen a lot of altcoins pumping, double-digit gains across the board. IP up 33%, Dash up 29%, ICP, Optimism, XLM. Across the board, any altcoin you picked would have been in some sweet profit. And if you go back on a weekly time frame, a lot of these altcoins have started showing signs of life. On a monthly time frame, you can see green bubbles front, left, and center. Which begs the question, why is sentiment so bad in the cryptocurrency market? Right now, the fear and greed index says we're slowly leaving fear. Just last month, we're in extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market. Market participants were scared to the teeth, but slowly and slowly, sentiment is quietly improving. Right now, sentiment is in neutral. Hopefully, before the end of the month, we'll see sentiment flip to greed. But before sentiment flips to greed, we'll have to see Bitcoin dominance dumping. Very important. Bitcoin dominance has been on that decline. A lot of market participants have been waiting for altcoin season for the last 3 years. We've had stories and tales about altcoin season. Guys, altcoin season only comes when Bitcoin dominance dump. And historically, altcoin season usually comes at the end of a Bitcoin market cycle. And I strongly believe we're getting to the end of a cycle. A lot of market participants have already called the end of the cycle. They've already called the start of a bear market. They believe October 10th was the top. I don't think so, guys. There's always a possibility that the top of the cycle is not yet in. If you look at the king of the cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin, yes, we have rallied from as low as $15,000 to as high as $126,000. But right now, gold is in new all-time highs. Silver is pumping to new all-time highs. The stock market is pumping to new all-time highs. I don't see a reason why the cryptocurrency market won't join. I believe the cryptocurrency market is lagging, and crypto, very volatile, can move very quickly. Don't be shocked if in the coming days and the coming weeks, we see Bitcoin pulling up, rallying above $100,000, and maybe, just maybe, getting to that new all-time highs. That will be the situation, that will be the scenario that will get a lot of market participants off guard right now. There's a consensus in the cryptocurrency market that we're in a bear market. A lot of influencers are telling you how when this time in 2022, where we're in a bear market, we're just going to see a retracement rally and then we'll continue dumping to Goblin Town. And historically, the market has always gone against the crowd. I don't think this time is different. If the crowd is looking for a retracement rally, I will expect at least a rally towards all-time highs just to get a lot of market participants liquidated. There's been a lot of shorts in the market. The best case scenario for the longs will be a pump to new all-time highs, and ironically, that will be the worst case scenarios for the shorts in the cryptocurrency market. From what we're currently trading right now, for Bitcoin to get to a new all-time highs, we need to see around a 32% pump to the upside. And historically, Bitcoin can do that in a very short period of time. We've seen Bitcoin already pump from $95,000 to above $120,000. And Bitcoin did that in less than 90 days. Will this time be different? If you look at the big altcoin in the cryptocurrency market, which is Ethereum, the largest altcoin in the cryptocurrency market, the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. Ethereum still trades around $3,300. If Ethereum is going to set new all-time highs, we will see Ethereum blasting past that $4,955 level where we got to in August of 2025. I expect Ethereum, if we rally past new all-time highs, finally cross that $5,000 level. There have been a lot of talks in the cryptocurrency market about Ethereum setting new all-time highs. We came and set new all-time highs in August, but that all-time highs were underwhelming. That all-time high led Ethereum down to Goblin Town. We saw Ethereum dumping back to as low as $2,600. So over the coming days and coming weeks, as Bitcoin starts rallying above $100,000 and Bitcoin dominance starts dumping, expect to see a huge move for Ethereum in the coming days and the coming weeks. That $5,000 level is very possible Ethereum could get there at any point in time. Remember guys, the game you're playing right here is to buy low, to sell high, to buy when there's fear in the cryptocurrency market. And when sentiments start quietly improving, just like we're seeing right now, that's the time to start thinking of selling for some sweet profit. If you pay attention to the meme coin market, we're seeing a lot of these meme coins pump aggressively. And even though the altcoin market is volatile, where you want to be is the meme coin market. The meme coin market is where you could get those 5x, 10x, 20x, those 10x gains. Pepe is already up 55% over the last 1 month. Floki is up 19%. Bonk is up 22%. Don't be shocked, guys. In the coming days and the coming weeks, you see more altcoins going parabolic. Dogecoin is still the biggest altcoin we have in the cryptocurrency market. Dogecoin's market cap sits at $24 billion. Shiba Inu coming out number 2 with a market cap of $5 billion. And Pepe, the rising star on the Ethereum ecosystem, has rallied up by more than 56% over the last 30 days. Pepe has a market cap of around $2.8 billion. Are we going to see Pepe flip Dogecoin at some point in time in the end of this market cycle? Hopefully so. Hopefully we see that big parabolic ending for Pepe. If you look at the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization, no big changes. Cardano still at number 10, Dogecoin at number 9, Tron, Solana, BNB, XRP, Ethereum, and Bitcoin all forming the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. And over the next few days, guys, I will expect to see a lot of these altcoins having huge gains against Bitcoin. A lot of these altcoins are performing Bitcoin because historically, when the market cycle starts coming to an end, we see a lot of market participants start shunning Bitcoin, start running to the altcoin market. An argument can be made, guys, that Bitcoin has made its own move from the bottom of the bear market. Bitcoin is up a whopping 400+%. At the top, Bitcoin was up around 700%. So it's safe to say Bitcoin has given us the best it can do in this cycle. And historically, when Bitcoin going on its run, we have a pullback, and that's when we see altcoins going on their own run. And that's why I'm expecting Bitcoin dominance to dump in this final pump. As Bitcoin dominance is dumping, Bitcoin is pumping, expect to see most of those gains heading to the altcoin market. And that's why, if you look at the total crypto market cap, you see that we are trading around the $3.21 trillion level. For us to get to a new all-time high, we need to see the total crypto market cap rally past $4.27 trillion. And in that scenario, I expect to see the most gains going to the altcoin market. It means the total crypto market cap will have to rally up by more than 30+% from where we're currently trading. Most of the gains should be going to the total crypto market cap, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, which currently sits around $907 billion. For us to set new highs, we need to rally past $1.2 trillion where we are trading on the 7th of October 2025. And that's very possible. That can happen very quickly. They'll just require total crypto market cap, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, to rally past 30% into the upside. If you look at liquidation in the cryptocurrency market over the last 24 hours, a lot of bears are getting liquidated right now. A lot of market participants are betting on lower prices. The market always finds a way to punish those market participants. Over the last 24 hours, more than 121,000 traders have been liquidated, with the total liquidation coming in around $680 million. The single largest liquidation order happened on Binance. A trader lost $12.9 million betting on the price of Ethereum, betting that the price will go down. What happened? The price pumped up and he has gotten liquidated. I believe more liquidations will come over the coming days and the coming weeks. A lot of shorts, a lot of bears in the market, a lot of shorts are going to get liquidated. Right now, Bitcoin is currently being outperformed by Ethereum. Q1 of 2026 is turning out to be very wonderful for the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin has stayed with the bank. Bitcoin is up 8.64% in the first month of 2026. Ethereum, on the other hand, is up a whooping 12.23%. So drop your thoughts in the comment section, guys. Which altcoins are you buying? How bullish are you on the altcoin market? Because we look at the altcoin season index right now, it tells us we're not yet an altcoin season, but there's hope along the way. Bitcoin is still down 11% over the last 90 days. A lot of altcoins are down bad over the last 90 days, but the real progress comes on the monthly time frame, where Bitcoin is up 11% over the last 1 month, and we'll have a lot of altcoins already starting to outperform Bitcoin on the monthly time frame. I won't be shocked, guys, in the coming days and the coming weeks, we see the altcoin season index on a monthly time frame head towards an altcoin month. They're telling us altcoins are already outperforming Bitcoin. If you go to crypto bubbles, you can visually see that over the last 1 month, Even though Bitcoin has done well for itself, Bitcoin is up 6% over the last 1 month. A lot of altcoins are up more than 6%. IP is up over 100%. Chile is there. Render is up 50%. Pepe is up 50%. XMR is up over 70%. MyX Finance up 75%. Dash is up 37%. A lot of altcoins have already outperformed Bitcoin. I expect that trend to continue into the nearest future. I expect to see Bitcoin dominance dumping. And if you look at news stories going around the cryptocurrency market right now, bullish news stories are starting to pop up front, left, and center. Rattle retail retreats to Bitcoin and Ethereum after October crash. That's what you expect. The crowd is always wrong at the extreme. When the crowd is scared, they run towards safety, and safety for us in the cryptocurrency market is Bitcoin and Ethereum. That's why you see when there's fear in the cryptocurrency market, a lot of market participants start selling their altcoins for Bitcoin, for Ethereum. Spot flows drive Bitcoin surge as analysts tips 100K run next. I believe Bitcoin is heading to that $100,000 level. At the $100,000 level, a lot of stories will be told. The bears will get liquidated, and we'll see whether Bitcoin has enough juice to continue pumping to higher prices. The perfect storm is brewing for Ethereum. Perfect storm of activity sees record surge in Ethereum new wallet address created. Over 300,000 new addresses were created on every day. Over the average of 327,000 address and wallets were created each day on the average over the past week, likely putting the fury of financial activity combined with recent network upgrades. Good news for Ethereum network. Hopefully, those addresses, those wallets that are being created are going to help increase activity, which will end up helping increasing the price of Ethereum. So now that chart shows Masterpiece set up to $190 after key trend turned bullish. Ethereum back at 3,200. Will traders flip the level from resistance to support? Traders are flipping from resistance to support. Ethereum is already trading around $3,300. Bitcoin structures Clarity Act delay by rallying above $93,000 on the 27th of January 2026. We're going to hear the Senate talk about the Clarity Act. Hopefully get passed. Hopefully that pushes the cryptocurrency markets to higher prices. Right now, things are good. The market is green. Bitcoin trades are over $95,000. All coins are pumping. All seasons are around the corner. Drop your thoughts about the market in the comment section. Which all coins are you buying? Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.